Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to talk about the simplification of fraction. So to make a fraction simple, divide the numerator and the denominator with the same factor. For example, if I want to make the fraction 5 over 10 simple, then I have to divide the 5 over 10 with the same factor. For example, 5 over 10 can be divided by 4. So I will divide the numerator and the denominator with the same factor, which is 5, right? So 5 over 5 divided by 10 over 5, right? We divided the numerator 5 and the denominator 10 with the same factor, which is 5, right? So 5 times 1 is 5 and 5 times 1 is 5, right? 5 times 1 is 5 and 5 times 2 is 10, right? So we can write as 1 over 2. So the simplified form of 5 over 10 is equal to 1 over 2. So we can say that 5 over 10 is equal to 1 over 2. Here is another example in which we have to simplify the 12 over 14 fraction. Right, so again we will divide the numerator and the denominator with the same factor. There is one factor that divides 12 and 14 simultaneously, which is 2, right? So 12 over 2 divided by 14 over 2. 2 is the only factor that divides 12 and 14 at the same times, right? So 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 12 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 7 is 14, right? So we will cancel out the other terms and will write as 6 over 7, right? So we can say that the simple form of 12 over 14 is equal to 6 over 7. Here is another example in which we have to find the simplified form of 4 over 20, right? So 4 over 20 can be divided by a single factor, which is 4, right? So we will divide 4 and 20 by 4 and 4, right? So 4 over 4 divided by 20 over 4, right? So 4 can be cancelled with 4, and 4 times 1 is 4 and 4 times 5 is 20, right? So we can write as 1 over 5, right? So the 4 over 20 can be written as 1 over 5. So this is the simplified form of 4 over 20 is equal to 1 over 5. Here is another example in which you are finding the simplified form of 30 over 45. So again, here is a single factor that divides 30 and 45 at the same time, which is 15. So we can write as 30 over 15 divided by 45 over 15, right? So 15 times 1 is 15 and 15 times 2 is 30. 15 times 1 is 15 and 15 times 3 is 45, right? So we can write as 2 over 3. So the simplified form of 30 over 45 is equal to 2 over 3. Now we are going to simplify this form, which is 15 over 25, right? So 15 over 25 can be divided by a single number, which is 5, right? So 15 over 5 divided by 25 over 5, right? So 5 times 1 is 5 and 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 1 is 5 and 5 times 5 is 25, right? So the answer will be 3 over 5. So we can write as 15 over 25 is equal to 3 over 5. Here is another example, 4 over 18. So again, we can divide 4 and 18 by 2, which is a common factor of both of these numbers, right? So we can write as 4 over 18 is equal to 4 divided by 2 and 18 divided by 2, right? So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 9 is 18, right? So we can write as 2 over 9, right? So the simplified form of 4 over 18 is equal to 2 over 9. Now dear viewer, can you find the simplified form of 12 over 16? Comment the simplified form of 12 over 16 in the comment section and write your answer in the comment section.